The industrial sensors market is a perfect example of how market leadership doesn't necessarily mean market dominance. KEYENCE Corporation leads with 10%, followed by Siemens at 9%. SICK AG holds 6%, while Texas Instruments and ABB each account for 5%. Together, the top 5 companies control just 35% of the market. So, what does that tell us? There is no clear monopoly in industrial sensors. The remaining 65% is distributed across a broad group of global and regional players, creating a significant room for competition and specialization. And the market is evolving beyond traditional sensing. As manufacturers invest in smart factories, robotics, industrial IoT, predictive maintenance, and real-time automation, sensors are becoming critical sources of industrial data. So the next battleground isn't simply about selling more sensors, it's about delivering smarter, connected, and more intelligent sensing solutions.
Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360iResearch platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry benefits, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360iResearch and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.